Sail to the Munchkin Island.
Hey there! I forgot how many teeth I have. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! 10 teeth! Thanks for counting with me. How many teeth do I have now? How many teeth do I have? Try again, but this time click each tooth and count along with me. Five teeth? What a mouthful!
Hi there! How many eyes do I have? Not quite. Click my eyes one at a time and count along with me. Seven eyes! You're a great pupil! Not quite. Click my eyes one at a time and count along with me. Seven eyes! You're a great pupil!
Hey, how many cookies are on my plate? Four cookies! Yummy! Go. Great!
Woohoo! How many butterflies do you see? Three butterflies! Fly, my pretties!
Nice!
Hey friend, how many crayons do I have? Try again. Click the crayons one at a time and count along with me. Six crayons! What a beautiful number!
Good day. How many flowers are in my vase? Not exactly. Click the flowers one at a time and count along with me. Three flowers. Enchanting.
Yo, how many strings are on my guitar? How about you click on my strings one at a time and count along with me?
5 strings. Rock on. Whoa. Yo, how many strings are on my guitar? 5 strings. Rock on. Whoa.
So many choices. How